Welcome to the Geysers. We're here in Northern California in the beautiful Mayacamas Mountains. And the Geysers is a very special geothermal spot here and across the world. It is the single largest geothermal electrical operation globally. Beneath our feet here, we have the Pacific Plate and the North American Plate, and they are meeting together in a way that is creating the unique structures and geothermal activity that we're seeing behind us here at the Geysers. Geothermal energy works by harnessing the heat from the Earth's interior to generate electricity. Calpine does that here at the Geysers by using steam from underground reservoirs.
It's incredible the innovation and opportunity that we can unlock when we understand what's happening in the underground.
At the Geysers, we are extremely proud of what we've been doing over the last 60 years to produce a sustainable amount of clean, reliable baseload generation. There are many different challenges associated with the geothermal industry, but one of the most complex is we are required to buy our fuel up front. And what that means, different than other energy components, is we have to go and drill and explore a resource to make sure we accurately can determine what amount of energy we can get from a specific resource.
We are living climate change every single day here, and it is impacting everything that we do. It is critical that California become carbon neutral. The Geysers and geothermal energy production is part of the solution.
The first power plant came into operation here in 1960, but people have been working at the Geysers here for well before that. If you think about what that looks like, that's 60 years of data that's being collected. What Seequent software aims to do with our 3D modeling is to pull all of those data sets together, all that important work that's been happening with geologists and geophysicists here and engineers over the many years which the Geysers has been operational, and pull it into one seamless model that can be used to not only understand what's happening, but also to help plan operations going forward so that they can get the most out of this precious sustainable resource for many generations to come.
Seequent's 3D modeling software helps us get our arms around the steam reservoir here at the Geysers. We have almost 40 square miles of surface leases. We have hundreds of active geothermal steam wells and dozens of active water injection wells. It allows us to render the surface data, the subsurface data as far as the position of all the different geothermal wells. When we're planning new water injection wells, we really have to understand where that water is going to go in the subsurface, and the software model really allows us to visualize in great detail and at high accuracy exactly where a new well will be situated with relation to all the other wells around it.
Meanwhile, above the ground, software from our parent company, Bentley Systems, is being used to model, operate, and sustain the operations here at the Geysers. Bentley's technology is being used to model recycled water from the city of Santa Rosa and Lake County, model that pumped water coming back up to the Geysers for reinjection into the system here.
The Geysers and the water injection is really a revolutionary idea. It's the first and the largest of its kind. Will serve about 825,000 homes and businesses. Really, this Earth has given us a gift up here with the geothermal resource, and we're committed to using it wisely.
The Geysers has always been an industry that's provided really valuable jobs. The geothermal royalties come into the county treasury. That means that we can pay for our parks around the county. We can pay for law enforcement officers that are dedicated with geothermal royalty funds. We also have a really significant weed abatement program in Clear Lake that is funded by the royalties.
By utilizing the 3D modeling, it allows us to better understand our resource and then accurately predict how we can improve our generation profile at the facilities.
And this is really valuable in not just understanding the resource that we have in our existing steam reservoir, but it also helps us planning for the future, planning new geothermal wells to be drilled.
Being part of this project up here makes me very proud. I'm proud to be part of Calpine. I'm proud to be part of the Geysers. I genuinely love it up here. This place is remarkable.
Geothermal energy's baseload renewable generation make it an attractive option for reducing dependency on fossil fuels and mitigating the impacts of climate change.
That's what sustainable engineering is all about. It's about harnessing reliable, clean energy for generations to come, and the results have been transformational for California and will continue to be in the future.